We're at 307 Sweetbriar Lane. Here we are on the back slope of the property. We came across this wind damage shingle here, and the tools we're going to be using for this repair work is our roof snake, roof hatchet, and we've got some new nails and our new shingle. This is the shingle we're going to do our repair work on. And we're going to start off by breaking the seal. And when touching the shingles, we're going to keep it under 45 degrees. We're only going to lift enough to get our snake tool underneath so that we can remove the existing shingle, remove the existing nail, and then we'll replace that shingle with a new one. Part of successful repair work is when you're able to complete these steps without causing damage to other parts of the roof. And in this case, we're using the right tools. We're using the right amount of finesse, and we're going to see how the shingles react to our repair. First nail successfully came out. So as you can tell, on the already damaged shingle, we've got some areas where they're showing material transfer on the shingle. We've got material transfer here. And that material transfer is coming from the top layers, but it's also visible here on this shingle. So we've got material transfer already showing that this is not successful. And now we're going to continue by installing our new shingle. Now we're going to grab a new nail and our roof snake. New nail with the roof snake combined sits under 45 degrees. Our 45-degree angle, we're at about 30 degrees possibly. This is a 45-degree angle here. That's 45 degrees. We're below that, possibly at 30. First nail successfully went in. So as you can tell, when we do repairs such as these, it'll definitely compromise the integrity of the roof. We ended up having material transfer in this bottom area right here. This bottom shingle had a material transfer, and we ended up having material transfer in other areas as well. And I'll be taking photos after this video. We ended up having an area that had mat piercing, where the actual mat is pierced. And so as you can tell, we've also got a crease that's starting to form here on this tab from end to end, visible crease here, and we've got another visible crease that's forming here on this tab from end to end. So our trade-off was that we fixed one shingle, but we ended up compromising the integrity of 1, 2, material transfer here, 3, and this right here is creased. So we ended up having 5 shingles that were compromised in the process. The results have been a fail. A perfect example of why the roof would require replacing rather than repairing is the fact that when we did this repair, it caused permanent damage, and that permanent damage was not there prior to the initiation of the repair, therefore resulting in a complete failure. And per IRC 908.5, which states aggregate surface materials cannot be reinstalled when damaged, is another example of why the roof would require replacing rather than repairing. These have been the results for the back slope. Thank you for your time. GoPro, stop recording.